For the last couple of years, I've been seeing, especially when I talk to my patients, when I see all the commentary on my 4,000 videos on my channel, a lot of you can get easily, and you cannot remove it, the age skin spots. We had a very good natural remedies that can help you, and today I'm gonna tell you something about the oil that you never heard about it. Today I'm going to recommend you something that can literally overnight remove your age spots. You will apply this oil on your skin and you will begin to have incredible health benefits. At the end of the show, I will give you more powerful nutrients that you must take orally to remove age spots permanently. And for you that never heard about it, today I'm gonna recommend you some special oil that is named Emu Oil. Emu Oil comes from Australia and comes from one special bird that cannot fly. Emu oil is taken from the fat of the emu, a flightless bird native to Australia that resembles an ostrich and contains mostly fatty acid. Thousands of years ago, the Aborigines of Australia, known to be one of the oldest human group on Earth, first used emu fat and oil to treat skin infection. When you use topically or orally, emu oil is known to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat numerous health problems, including muscle pain, migraines, and the skin condition. In the short, this emu oil is well known in Australia of native Aborigines for thousands and thousands of years before. They use this bird and this special oil that contains very good high quality nutrients, especially good quality oils. The oil contains high poly and monounsaturated fat levels with omega-3, 6 and 9. Since the human body needs good fatty acid, it is logical that emu oil, which contains over 70% fatty acid, offers many health benefits. Aborigines in Australia have found that emu oil also helps hydrate and nourishing the skin. This is the well-known and scientifically researched fact. Exciting news, my dear followers! My first book that is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity is available to you right now. You can now grab your copy in Croatian, Polish, German and English on my brand new website mariolab.hr. Get your copy today and unlock the secrets to healthier and longer life. The book is available for every country all around the world. When you take good quality emu oil on your skin, you get a very improved condition of your skin. Especially, this is also well researched. Main causes why you have the age skin spots is of course aging, but especially a lack of vitamin C, zinc and insulin resistance. This is like 80 or 90% that you have these age skin spots on your face or your hand, you have this kind of problem. Because your skin is damaged, you also produce in these age skin spots something called melanin. Melanin is the pigment that get this dark area that we call it age skin spots. When you take emu oil, it's gonna get hydrated your skin and gonna get repair the skin condition. It's gonna lower melanin in your age skin spots and also will help your collagen in the skin. Emu oil also relieve joint and muscle pain, and it's one of the most effective treatments for burns, cuts, irritation, dry skin, eczema, psoriasis, arthritis and bruises. The oil contains a powerful transdermal agent that penetrates deep into the skin. Emu oil is highly prized as an anti-inflammatory skin supplement. It has creamy consistency that the skin can absorb. Due to the strong anti-inflammatory compounds present in the Emu Oil, it is now used to alleviate many complications. It contains linoleic acid, which elevates joint pain. A couple more very interesting information. Emu Oil contains a high quality vitamin E. When you think about the vitamin E, you usually get connected to vitamin E with the skin. When you get high quality vitamin E, it's gonna get a lot easier to reduce age skin spots, and you also get very easily your skin in very good position. According to studies in Australia, Emu Oil contains high anti-inflammatory properties when applied topically or orally. The researchers also mentioned that this oil helps treat inflammatory problems that affects gastrointestinal systems. Many types of research also suggest that this amazing oil can treat health problems caused by inflammation. It strengthens your immunity. It naturally removes migraines, carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis. It has anti-cancer properties. This oil is phenomenal for the treatment of a large number of the skin diseases, and you also promote healthy hair and healthy skin. In the short conclusion of this show, if you want to get your skin better, if you want give your chance to remove your age skin spots, you take good quality Emu Oil, take it on your skin and give yourself a time to remove age skin spots. What else is gonna help you? First of all, you need to start practicing something called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the best diet in the world and is very good for the skin condition. It had so good quality anti-aging effect and is gonna stop of aging and especially of age skin spots. So you take into consideration, take each day through whole year intermittent fasting as your diet. You take also Emu Oil, and I'm going to help you with one more information. By a combination of Emu Oil with glucosamine and MSM, these two ingredients together with Emu Oil make perfect combination for your health. This means right now you can go on the internet healthy store, try find product that is called Emu Oil with glucosamine and with MSM. These three ingredients, when you combine it, it's unbelievably helpful for your skin, and it's gonna resolve your age skin spots in the fastest way. For the last 25 years, I'll be working with the patient all around the world. I proudly can say I cured thousands and thousands of people. My specialty to heal you with the help of my programs of natural medicine and nutrition. By following Mario Lab Natural Treatments program, you enable yourself to be permanently healthy without drugs and any kind of surgeries. For certain conditions and diseases, in my office we use medical physical therapy and rehabilitation treatments. If you want me to treat you, call the Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia, or visit mariolab.hr. My new website where you have all necessary information. The links are located below the video. Complete treatments, my phone consultations are doing in Croatian and also in English language.